In today's video, we are going to show you how to add a photo in Google Flow. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials and open your project in Google Flow. If this is your first time here, just click the new project. From here, all I have to do is super simple. Click the plus button on the top right corner. There is an option here that says upload image. Just click the I agree button. Now, this button will let you upload your photo from your computer, and we recommend using a high resolution image because this helps reduce any unwanted artifacts and keeps your scene looking clean. After importing, simply drag your photo in the scene right here, and you can simply type in the prompt that you wanted. For example, we're gonna click that. Okay. You want to make sure that the prompt is set to video or image. It's up to you. It would take a little while to create the scene. Once the scene has been created, you can simply rename that file that you wanted. And of course, from here, you can check the video if you want. If you want to extend right here, you can do so. Or if you want to insert the image that you wanted, you can do that as well. It's up to you. But basically, that's it for today's video on how to add a photo in Google Flow. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.